We are here today to talk about the FrSky X20 RS. We're back with Steve. What is going on with this transmitter, Steve?
Oh, it is a very popular transmitter. This is a great transmitter. It's essentially, I call it the Polycarbonate Pro. It is just like the X20 Pro AW, except instead of being made out of a solid piece of aluminum that was meticulously CNC down to perfection, this is a polycarbonate version of it. Take a look at this, all these different colors. Now, do you see this top one right there that you went by? That one right there. Yeah, see
The teal?
the teal. That actually it changes colors, and it's the most gorgeous radio. You see the purple underneath there on the
Right.
sides. So it goes from purple to green in the sunlight. It is absolutely stunning, beautiful.
So it's iridescent like a fish.
Yes, yes, exactly it. And then the next one down, you have what is this? This is the ruby red X20 RS. It's a gorgeous radio as well. Originally, it was called cherry red. You still, if you order it today, it's called cherry red, but really, it's more like a ruby red, and it's
Right.
it's a nice looking transmitter. Color looks great. There's a reason why we're talking about colors. Let's keep going on that. Yeah, beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. Love it. Loving it. Okay, this one's interesting. I believe this one is called the blackish green. So if you look at
Blackish
it,
green. Okay.
yeah, it's very dark. It's almost like an extremely dark green, and you in the sunlight, the green starts to pop out, kind of like a hunter green, but in the inside, it looks more gray than it does green. So
Gotcha.
cool. This is called porcelain white. This is supposed to
Hmm.
be reminiscent of the Chinese porcelain, and we worked the very hardest on this particular color. I call it the stormtrooper white.
I think this would be great for pinstriping. Automotive pinstriping would look great on this.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Hydro dip, do what you feel like with it. Yeah, this is it's a beautiful radio. This one is the gray. So this one is called meteorite gray.
Okay.
And so yeah, that one is a very conservative. It's a nice, if you don't like something flashy, it's a really nice color along with that blackish green. So there's the whole X20 RS line. And this has the larger screen on it. It is a very popular transmitter. It tends to be the one that people go towards because it does have these gimbals on there that vibrate independently. So you can use it for telemetry settings. So you can have force feedback on your throttle stick. You can set it up telemetry with an airspeed sensor. If you're coming in too slow, your stick will start to vibrate. So really a fascinating, fun little radio. It has 3 sets of trim buttons on there as well. Does cross trims, instant trims, all sorts of amazing things. But since we're talking about color, I've got something here that I wanted to show people just so that they have an idea of what we are looking at. We've had this radio out for about 2 years now, and we're not changing this. We found something we would really like, and we're probably going to be selling this for quite a long time. But every once in a while, people like, I want something a little bit different. And especially when I get down to Texas, I believe you're around Texas area, Jim?
I'm from Sherman, Texas. Yes, sir.
Sherman, Texas. Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. So you love your warbirds down there, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
And you love your U.S. military down there, don't you?
Oh, I think I know where we're going. Yeah, Perrin Air Force Base was right by my house. That's why I love RC. I would watch them fly at Perrin.
Perfect. Yeah. So we love the Army in particular. This is an Army green. Ooh, there you are, Jim. Look there. Look
Here
at
we
this.
come. Here we come. Here we go. We
There we
got it.
go.
There we are.
There it is. There it is. Look at that. So, okay, first of all, this is a prototype. The one thing I will say is typically the military is pretty big on making sure nothing reflects. So, I'm,
Oh, yeah.
next time around, I want it to be in a matte finish, but maybe I'm listening to you guys. So, this is something we painted up. I asked for a green. I was very particular about the green that I was looking for as far as the green of the U.S. Army was concerned. We're putting this together. The company that requested this is our dealer, A&ERC, and he wants to put sergeant stripes right there. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So that will be his independent thing. But this is a really nice color. People look at it, just fall in love with this. As far as this is a nice color, it stands out, but it's not obnoxious. That's what I love about this. But I need to hear from you what the ideas are as far as what people like. Is this something you'd be interested in? If so, would you want it in glossy? Do you want it in matte? That's one of the big questions I have right now. It looks really sexy and glossy, but I'm afraid that if you're military, you're not going to like it.
So this is the first time everyone is seeing this option?
This is the first time. This is another exclusive for you.
Wow, man, I might have to drop these on the same day. I personally would want it in a satin color and a matte for sure.
The matte finish for sure. Yeah, that's the whole thing. But we were just, as far as this color is concerned, is this, I know it's hard to look at it and see for yourself which one it is, but this looks pretty much like a military army green, right?
Right. And there are definitely different color military greens throughout the last, X amount of years.
Perfect. Yes, it's exactly it. So yeah, this is it. And I'm looking for feedback, and we are going to paint up some for Bruce, and they'll be available for other dealers as well. So this is something we're playing with right now. And so this is the first look. It's a sneak peek, and I do thank you for watching and allow me to share this with you.
Down below, we want you to tell us what you think and if you want it in gloss or satin. So vote down there, and I guess we'll reconvene.
Awesome. Thanks, everybody.
Right. FrSky, RC Groups, and look below for links.
Okay.